In this video, I'll show you how to check who is seeing your Instagram profile. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we have to do is, of course, go to Instagram. We're going to open the app, then we're going to select our profile picture, which we're going to see right here at the bottom of our screen. Then go ahead and select the three lines that you see at the top right corner and select your activity. Then you're going to select the three lines that you see at the top right, and you're going to scroll down and select Insights. Now here is where you're going to see the number of people that are interacting with your content. To check how many people have visited your profile, you're going to select Views. And this is going to show you the number of views that your profile has been getting in the last 30 days. You can also change this right here at the top in case you want to change up the number of days. I can also select 7 days, 14 days, or the previous month. You can also see how people are reaching your profile. So in this example, 83% of people have come to this profile because of stories. 12% have visited the profile through post, and only 3.9% have visited the profile because of reels. And that's it. You cannot see who is viewing your profile on Instagram. That's a feature that is only available on TikTok before you reach 10,000 followers. One way to check who is visiting or seeing your profile would be to check the people that are viewing your Instagram stories. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.